Curious about the Tata Aria's cluster display and dashboard warning indicators? Wondering what those warning lights and symbols really mean? In this video, we'll answer all your questions and help you understand what to do when an alert pops up. Interior view. The dashboard is designed for a driver-focused experience with an ergonomic layout and intuitive accessibility. It enhances functionality with seamless integration of controls and a modern, performance-oriented aesthetic. The Tata Aria touchscreen display featured a 6 to 7-inch screen with GPS navigation, Bluetooth, USB AUX support, and reverse camera display in higher variants. The Tata Aria instrument cluster featured a INMA ID with a speedometer, tachometer, fuel gauge, trip meter, odometer, and warning indicators. The Tata Aria features dual-zone automatic climate control with rear AC vents, allowing independent temperature settings for front and rear passengers. The Tata Aria was powered by a 2.2-liter Varicore diesel engine, producing 148 horsepower and 320 Newton-meters torque, paired with a 5-speed manual or automatic transmission. Instrument cluster. Cluster indicators. Airbag warning light, turn signal. Brake warning light, high beam. TOD indicator, battery charging. Diesel preheat indicator, malfunction indication lamp. Low engine oil pressure indicator, low fuel indicator. High temperature warning, water and fuel indicator. ABS indicator, traction control. Immobilizer warning, seatbelt reminder, warning light. Front fog lamp, rear fog lamp. Service lamp, driver door open. Co-driver door, rear left door. Rear right door, tailgate open. Cruise control, brakes overheated warning light.
Safety precautions. Know your symbols. Immediate attention. Don't ignore a flashing symbol. Stop driving for red warning lights. Check manual for unknown symbols. Regular maintenance. Cluster awareness. Don't distract yourself. Low visibility of symbols. Use OBD2 scanner for diagnostics.
General instrument cluster symbols. General dashboard warning symbols are designed to help you understand the most common indicators found in all vehicles. Whether you're driving a sedan, SUV, or truck, these symbols play a crucial role in keeping you informed about your vehicle's condition and safety. Knowing what these symbols mean and how to respond can help prevent breakdowns, maintain your car's performance, and ensure your safety on the road. From the check engine light to the oil pressure and battery indicators, each symbol serves as an alert to help you take action before a small issue becomes a bigger problem. Understanding these warnings can give you peace of mind, keeping you aware of potential issues and allowing you to address them promptly. Now let's dive into the most common symbols you may encounter and what they mean for your vehicle. Now that we've covered some of the essential symbols, keep in mind that while many dashboard indicators are universal, some may differ depending on the make and model of your vehicle. It's always a good idea to consult your car's manual for specific meanings and recommendations. Thank you for watching. Remember, staying informed about these warning lights helps you maintain your vehicle's performance and ensures your safety on the road. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more car maintenance tips.